Hi friends, welcome to the last day of introductions for Mama Elephant's March 2024 release. Today we are introducing a Capybara party with its coordinating dies and the Bella Frame creative cuts. The capybaras are back and they are having the cutest party ever. There are loads of images in this set to create a super cute birthday scene, as well as a couple of sentiments. And today I will be showing you how I color the wooden tub with the cute little duck inside. Now it's time to add some white highlights. And that's it for the coloring. I just love how this little tub with the duck turned out. To create the base of my card, I cut a standard size card base. On top I stack a panel that I've decorated with some different colors of distress ink, as well as with the confetti stencil. Then I'm adding the largest frame from Flirty Scallop frames. Once that is complete, I am trying to arrange my scene just the way I like it. When I have the idea in my head, I start gluing things down. I add in the sentiment from the Way to Go stamp set, which I've stamped with Mama Elephant pigment ink in Lollipop. As a finishing touch, I'm gluing down 2 of the small gifts in each of the upper corners. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. All the products in this release will be available from tomorrow, the 15th of March, and I will see you next time. Bye!